Going on YouTube, welcome back to Show and Tech. So today on the table, we've got products from Whitestone, more specifically the Dome Glass. So when I first bought my iPhone 12 mini, the first thing that I did was I went and I ordered just a random tempered glass screen protector off of Amazon. But I've always been interested in the Whitestone products. I've heard great things about them. I heard that they do a great job at protecting your phone, and they also make sure that the colors come through nice and clear. Now, this one in the middle here is the premium screen protector that requires curing by adhesive, that requires curing using UV light. And a lot of people don't like that process. They feel like it's a process that takes a long time to do. It's very difficult to do. So they've also come out with the Easy Glass version, which just sticks right onto your phone screen. So I'm a total beginner. I've never installed Dome Glass before from Whitestone. I've never had to use UV light to cure. So everything you're gonna see today is coming directly from a brand new noob like myself. The third product on the table is this guy right here, which is just a protector for your camera module on the back. Now, apologies before we get into this. I just got my wisdom teeth taken out, so you can probably hear that it's difficult for me to pronounce some things, but we're gonna get through it the best that we can. So to start off, I'm gonna take a look at the Easy Glass installation first. I imagine that this is gonna be very simple and straightforward to do. So it just says here on the back, it's a 4-step installation. All you have to do is set the jig, set the Easy Glass, attach the Easy Glass, and your installation is complete. So very straightforward, pretty much what we're used to. All right, so on the inside, very straightforward. You've got your rack, which I assume just pops right onto your phone like so to make an easy guide for placing the screen protector on. And inside this little baggie here, you've got your typical dust removing sticker, 2 sets of them actually, a nice microfiber cloth. This is actually, it's 2 separate microfiber cloths because obviously you can do 2 separate installations with this guy here, with them having 2 that come in the box. You've got your disposable wipes to clean your screen off before the installation, 2 of those. And then finally at the very back, you've got your 2 screen protectors. So on this side here, it tells you that this is the back of the screen protector, and obviously then this would be the front. So we know that the first step is always just to clean your screen off. So you take the included wet wipe, and you're just gonna give your phone a good wipe down like so. And all this is doing, for anyone that's never done this before, is you're just cleaning off any fingerprints, any dust, any debris, anything that might affect the installation and create any bubbles. So I usually just give it a quick wipe down like so. I know it might be difficult to see again on the camera. And you can see that there's a little bit of, well, not water, but alcohol residue there that's just sitting on the screen. And that's okay. What I do with that is I just take the included microfiber cloth and give it a quick wipe down to sort of dry it off. So the next step is to take the dust remover sticker, and this is pretty easy to use. I usually just fold it backwards like this, so the sticky side is facing down, and you're just going like so on your phone screen, picking up any dust that may have got on the screen after you wiped it down, after you've used that microfiber cloth. This step takes as long as you want it to really. I kind of just tilt it and angle my screen to a light source. So I've got a nice big window in front of me. That way I'm able to see all of the little dust fibers that might be hiding from me on the screen. So the next step is to take the little guide that they include, just a little plastic guide, and you're gonna throw it on top of the phone. So it says for iPhone 12 on the top, what it actually means 12 mini. Otherwise it probably wouldn't fit. So once you've got that in place, you're pretty much good to go. And the last step would just be to drop the screen protector on after I've peeled off this back adhesive here. So this part peels back pretty easily. I like to peel it downwards, that way no dust from the top can get onto the part that I'm peeling away. So I peel it downwards like this, and then you just drop it into the guide and it falls right into place like so. And as you can see, there's that big bubble, but it's slowly closing the gap. There you go, almost done. And then all you're left with is this little air gap right here and a little one up at the top. So to get rid of that, the easiest way is to take the guide off. You're gonna take your microfiber cloth again, and you're just gonna rub all over the screen. Then you are pretty much good to go. And so this probably took, I don't know, 2-3 minutes plus talking in order to get this done. It could obviously be done a lot more quickly if you weren't talking and if I didn't mess it up and touch the screen a second time. But compared to the one I bought on Amazon, it feels pretty similar. The clarity on it is very nice. And I do like that it covers the entire top forehead there versus my other one was a cutout that went kind of around the forehead. So personal preference, I like the way that this one looks. I like the way that this one feels. I like how it covers the entire screen. And I like how easy the installation process was. So that was the Whitestone Dome Glass EZ installation for the iPhone 12 mini. Next, we're gonna move on to the one that is a little bit more complicated. It's the install of the one that includes the adhesive curing by UV light. So that should be pretty fun. I wonder if you have to plug it in. Anyhow, that's it. I'm gonna take this guy off and then we're gonna take a look at the second installation method.